The trial for the man accused of killing a Daytona Beach police officer gets underway this week. Jury selection will start Tuesday in the trial of Othal Wallace. Wallace is accused of shooting Officer Jason Raynor back in June of 2021. You were just looking at body camera video from the police department of this incident. Raynor died in the hospital from his injuries 2 months later. Wallace is facing the death penalty, and his murder trial could go on for at least a month. News 6's Molly Reed has a look at what's ahead.
The trial is kicking off Tuesday with jury selection in Clay County. Now, it was moved from Volusia County at the request of the defense team, who argued they would not be able to find an impartial jury in Volusia due to the coverage this case has received. I spoke with News 6's legal expert about what we may see unfold from both the state and the defense in the weeks to come.
How's it going? Do you live here?
What's going on?
Sit down. Sit.
That video being the body camera of Officer Jason Raynor approaching Othal Wallace on June 23rd, 2021.
Come on now. Come on now. Don't do this.
Sit down.
Why are you asking me, do I live here?
Do you live here, yes or no?
What's going on, though?
The clip released to the media of the entire interaction is just 29 seconds long. Raynor looking to question Wallace, then a gunshot. Police say Wallace shot Raynor in the head, then took off.
They're going to have to take that video and articulate how that fits into a narrative and explain how it is a justifiable homicide. How self-defense is warranted.
News 6 legal expert Stephen Kramer says Wallace's defense team will have to prove Wallace shot Raynor in self-defense. Police say that night Raynor was looking for a stolen car with a similar description to the one Wallace was driving. They later said it turned out not to be the stolen car. Investigators say after the shooting, Wallace took off in the car and was found 4 days later at a property outside of Atlanta that has ties to a black militia group.
If the defense opens up state of mind, then they probably open the door to taking a harder look at that, to looking at, potential ties to militia groups. I don't know if that's alleged or confirmed, but to looking at that, to looking at social media posts, to looking at commentary.
Kramer says the state will argue Raynor was acting lawfully in patrolling and investigating a stolen car. However, what the jury may hear about some details in the case are still up in the air. The defense filing a slew of motions about evidence in the past week that the judge will have to rule on before the trial can start.
Jailhouse phone calls, those typically come in, especially if they constitute an admission, especially if they give color to the case, to the evidence. That's stuff that typically comes in. Social media posts, they may be on the table as well.
Now, several of those motions are in regard to Wallace's social media posts, calls he made after he was brought to jail, and his political ties and affiliations. Again, jury selection starts on Tuesday. In the studio, I'm Molly Reed, getting results, News 6.